What were we discussing in the yesterday's class?
So we were discussing the detail, like how to, like about Google ads, detailed information and everything,
Okay, what is
targeting and all, detailed
targeting
targeting.
and what is needed to get started with the campaigns is what we are learning, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So today we'll understand about the keyword match types, how they
Match
work.
type.
Yeah. Okay. So yesterday we were discussing about the known searches and unknown searches, right? So there is a lot of disturbance from someone's side. If there's lots of disturbance, please put it on mute. Yeah. I hope you all see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we were discussing about the known searches and unknown searches. In another form, we can also call we use a synonym term like short keywords and tail keywords. Short keywords and tail keywords. Okay. So your short keywords are usually keywords comprising not beyond 2 to 3 words. In the keyword by so the Java Training Institute is just three words. Java Training Institute is just three words in it, correct? Just three words. So now Java Training Institute near me with the price. It's very lengthy. It's a tail keyword, right? So the best Java Training Institute in Bangalore near me is a tail keyword again, correct? A lengthy keyword or a tail keyword. Just Java Training or Java Training Institute is a short keyword, and most of these times the short keywords are the known keywords and lengthy keywords are the unknown searches or unknown keywords. So why are we calling them as unknown is because not many people are using them because they originate with an individual and die with an individual with their thought process. It's originating with the thought process of an individual and it's dying with that person because no other person is typing like that. So I will type buy blue color shirt with round buttons or with square buttons under the price of 2000 rupees. How many people could match my mindset? Or additionally I might have in HSR, and now I have to find such persons with same mindset in HSR, and that too he will have such requirement or not is something nobody knows. I'm searching buy blue color shirt with square buttons under 1999 in HSR layout near me, correct? Right. So so there is an amazing opportunity by Google Ads for you to tap in such searches as well. See, the good thing is these kinds of searches will have very good conversion rate. Very good conversion rate. Just Java Training or just buy shirt, he must be looking for red color shirt or green color shirt or his size, everything. The requirement is not specific, but when he is mentioning blue color, buy blue color shirt, it's pretty clear that if you have a landing page, blue color shirt landing page, specific page, and if you're bringing him to that page, for sure he will convert because your shirt is also blue color, the shirt that you are selling is blue color, and his or her requirement is also blue color, and there are very good chances of they buying it from you, right? Hence, we call the long tail keywords. We conclude the long tail keywords will have very good conversion rates. Buy shoes online, they'll be landing on a generic page and we have no clue which brand is that they are looking for, what kind of size that they are looking for. But when somebody searches buy Reebok shoes, and if I am landing them on the Reebok page, if see, they cannot be sent organically on any page just like that without without having a Reebok page on the website. So when they are very clear with their requirements, the chances of they buying is very high, right? So someone will come and approach, let's say you are into real estate, somebody will come and approach, I want to buy a house. When you educate them about the price per square feet, are you all following me? When you educate them about the price per square feet and about various kinds of expenses involved, the chances of they buying is less. Correct? But when somebody who is pretty clear how many square feet that they want, what kind of house they want, and understanding about the price of the square feet, everything, and if they're very clear or specific with their requirements, the chances of they buying is very high. The real estate example could be very difficult to understand here, but you all understand, right? When they are very clear, specific. So, for example, digital marketing training. I don't know from which place they are searching. Are they looking for to register in Chennai or Hyderabad or in Mumbai or Bangalore? I don't know. If I'm targeting traffic from digital marketing training across the country, I'll not get any kind of conversions. Whether it is Chennai, Kerala, sorry, whether it is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, or any other state in the country, if somebody is searching for digital marketing training in Bangalore, me getting traffic from that keyword digital marketing training Bangalore, because I am doing trainings in Bangalore, correct? So I know everybody will convert because I am closely related to their requirements. If they are searching for digital marketing training in Chennai, I am not related, correct? Because I am conducting trainings in Bangalore. When they search for Chennai, I am not related, correct? So now we can put it this way: they are very specific with their requirement when they are searching digital marketing training in Bangalore instead of just digital marketing, regardless of the state the query is happening. But always they are specific that they want to do it in Bangalore. If I am showing my ad for such keyword, the chances of me getting conversions will be very high, right? So to get started, we'll understand more on this keywords first. So you all got clarity, right, about the tail keyword and short keyword, about known searches and unknown searches, right? So yesterday I was showing you one diagram, known searches and unknown searches. Where are they? So known searches, the number of keywords will be very few, but unknown searches, the number of keywords used will be significantly high. I'll just add it here, understanding the keyword match types. Okay. The keywords used to find your product or service or any content on the internet can be broadly classified into two types. One is known searches or short keywords, unknown searches or tail keywords. Keywords used by the browsers are usually between 2 to 3 words and not beyond that, and these keywords are the most commonly used keywords by the public, and hence the number of searches will be very high for every keyword, every short keyword. For example, buy shoes. Search volume is 20,000 searches. Comma, Java course, 40,000 searches. You understand this number, right? This indicates 40,000 people are searching on Google every month. Okay. Unknown searches or tail keywords are the keywords usually originate and die with the same user, and the chances of they used by the other public are negligible or almost zero. Huh? Negligible or almost zero. Example, buy shoes 9 inches near me under 399. One search per month, right? Java course, Java course with placement with a package of 20 lakh per annum. One search per month. These keywords will have less than 10 searches, but then the number of such keywords will be significantly high as compared to that of short keywords. Example, for your business, the number of short keywords, the number of short keywords, are you all getting this? Short keywords are only 5,000 and the search volume of the same is 5 million. Okay. Your business could also be comprising various unknown keywords, and the count of such keywords can be 50,000 and each comprising a search volume of only 100, and the total search volume of this 50,000 keywords into 100, 50,000 keywords is now 5 million again, correct? Correct? Correct, everyone understood? Correct, Alva? See, now if you neglect these keywords, Assuming that they are searched only 100 times, or maybe I will do it this way, 5 lakh times, and each and search volume of 10, and the total search volume of this 5 lakh keywords is now 5 million. If it is 100 search volume, it will be 50 million, right? So many businesses key take away, many businesses focus on the highly competitive, highly competitive short keywords and end up spending a lot because the CPCs the CPCs will be high for competitive keywords, and also the conversion rates will be poor. Okay, the CPCs of the long tail keywords will be comparatively less, and the conversion rates will be high. Hence, you would reap maximum return on investment with the long tail keywords. You all got it? Did you all understand this, everybody? Do you need more clarity on this?
Yes, please.
Huh? Sorry?
Yes. Can you explain it once more?
Okay. Okay. See, it's something like this. Let's assume there is some unique skill on this earth. Unique skill on this earth and of very high demand, but none of you here knows what is that skill. Correct? So basically, what happens when nobody knows about it and nobody is doing it, and if you are the only one doing it, what happens now? You will easily get the job, you will easily get paid, you will easily make a good career. Correct? Correct? So if you are again doing the course which is done by millions of people, you're again getting into the same competition zone. It's something like people doesn't know the different kinds of private jobs that people can do. They only know 10 different types of government job, and all the 100 crore people in the country will apply for this government jobs. The competition is so high. See, there are only 1,000 jobs, and for 1,000 jobs 1 crore people are applying. Now it's a probability case like lottery. You may get or may not get. The competition is so high, and the final thing is you will get paid only 50,000 salary. Now, if you were aware about all the private jobs in the country, there are so many jobs which will pay starting 1 lakh also. The competition is very easy. There are so many openings, and there is a resource crunch. There is no talent pool. So if you are opting for such courses and learning such skills, the chances of you getting job is very high. Correct? See, same way here, known searches are the short keywords and the most common used keywords by everybody. And now business owners, what they do is they target only such keywords in the Google Ads. They target only known keywords. Known keyword is just buy shoes, buy shoes, buy shoes. Everybody will bid on buy shoes. Now, how many people are can be shown on Google by Google? Correct. The Google Ads platform cannot show everybody on Google first page, right? Because it has only 4 slots and everything else is the organic result. Correct. Are you all understanding this?
Yes.
So Google cannot show everybody for the same keyword. Everybody want, see, let's say everybody want, I have only four pieces left of iPhones, and everybody in this room want iPhone only. From where will I get? So now what will I do? Okay, so I have only four pieces, but here there are 400 people. Now I'll put a new criteria. Whomsoever pays me 1 lakh extra, I'm going to give that phone to them. I'm selling a phone worth of 1 lakh, and I'm putting a condition now, if you want it, you have to pay me 1 lakh extra. Exactly, Google is also doing the same thing. There are only four slots. There are only four slots, one, two, three, four slots, and for this four slots, 400 companies are fighting to take up the position. Now, what Google does? Google says, boss, I'm very happy with this competition amongst you guys. You guys fight, quarrel amongst yourself. Okay, but what I'll do is I'll put a condition. Whom sure are going to pay high to me, I'm going to show only them in the top. Are you all getting it? So now what I'm suggesting is, don't go with the keyword that is known and has the high competition. When it comes to unknown keyword, when it comes to tail keyword, see now everybody are bidding on CSM training, correct? But when it comes to CSM training in Bangalore under 999, maybe not many people will be competing for this keyword because it's unknown search. So if it is unknown search, how will you target? No, there is a way or mechanism, I'll tell you. But you all understood, right, what I'm trying to convey here? See, for unknown searches or for tail keywords, not many people are competing. The chances of you ranking for such keywords will be very high. Sorry, the not ranking is very high, the competition is less, the conversion rates will be high if you're completely relevant with that query. Right? So if you are bidding on a keyword which is costing you very high competitive keyword, you end up spending more for 100 clicks. That is what we discussed in our other examples. See, the CPCs are very high for some of the keywords. See, CPC is 28 rupees. It's very high as compared to the top CPC of 14 rupees. Correct? So let's assume 14 rupees is a long tail keyword. So if you go to the keyword, you might probably understand the CPCs also would vary based on the length of the keyword.
So for keywords, we have to pay extra to the Google.
Not extra. To show your keyword on Google, you have to pay when somebody clicks. When somebody says best places to buy mangoes online, if you are bidding on it, see the CPC is 4.4. Google will charge you 4.4 rupees to 48 rupees anywhere. Suppose mango online, not many people must be selling it. There are different criteria. Though this is short keyword, but because there is no competition, the CPCs are less. Okay. So now, if it is a known search, you will bid. I told you there are 50. We took an example. There are 50 million keywords for which the searches are not known. You don't know how they are searching. Correct? How will you figure out how they are searching your keyword? Correct? Here, look at this. Your business short keywords are only 5,000, and unknown known keywords are only 5,000. Unknown keywords are 50,000. How will you know which are these 50,000 keywords? These keywords identifying is so very easy because Google Keyword Planner tells you, or Google Autocomplete will give you the keywords. When you're typing, Google Autocomplete, see if it is an unknown keyword or a not so popular keyword, Google also will not show that keyword here in the Autocomplete nor in the Keyword Planner. Did I discuss about the Keyword Planner, guys? Everybody, about the keyword research, we have discussed it, right?
The keyword planner.
Keyword research, understanding how your product is queried, how your business is queried on Google. In the very initial classes, first few classes, we learned it. How is your product or business searched on Google? No?
Not able to recall.
Different types of words or terms used on Google to search shoes.
Yeah, yes, sir. We have discussed.
Okay. So keyword planner, that's called as keyword planner. So you will be inputting one term and it gives you few tens of keywords. You just put by so maybe here tools planning keyword planner. Discover new keywords. So I'm keen to know how people are searching for shoes if they are willing to buy shoes. Just put buy shoes and you will get to see the number of searches happening for buy shoes every month, and also it tells the all the possible ways people are searching for shoes. See, buy shoes, 3,000 people are searching on Google every month. In some months it's going to be very high, probably could be in the month of June or December. Okay. Crocs near me, men's trainer sale, men's shoe on sale. You see how people are, it is giving you how many ways your keyword are searched. And if you look at this, majority of them are known. See, if it is giving a keyword here, it is a known keyword. So if Google also doesn't know how people are going to search, it's an unknown keyword. And if you look at this, most of these are short keywords. Correct? Most of these are short keywords only. Correct? Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the keyword planner. You can input more keywords and you will get more searches. So from 1400 initially it gave 1400 keywords. See 1422 here. And now it will change now. I have inputted one more keyword. So 3034. Buy casual shoes is I am going to add one more keyword. So Google keeps giving you the keywords. So what happens is maybe 3,589 keywords and they'll bid on this 3,000 or 4,000 keywords. How about 40,000 other keywords which Google Keyword Planner has never given to you and nor the Google search autocomplete. So this is called as autocomplete. You are typing by shows and it starts showing you so many, correct? This is called as autocomplete. So the methods to do keyword research is autocomplete. By autocomplete, you can understand how your product has been searched, and at the bottom, you get to see the most recent searches, trending searches. In recent times, people must be using these terms quite often, and whatever it shows here in the top are the most popular searches with the highest volume, and the most popular keywords are shown here, and the most trending in the recent times. It caught up with the trend in the recent times, right? So those kinds of searches will be shown here in the bottom, and your keyword planner helps you to get all kinds of keywords. Basically, you are accessing data that Google has. See, since you are searching on Google, you are going to, I am coming to your home and I am probably having food on the dining table, and since I am inside your home, you can easily track my activities, right? How many times I am having food, how many times I am drinking water, correct? Right, same way now, since you are on Google, whatever people does on Google, Google is able to track how many people are using buy shoes online every day, every month, every year, every week. So exactly, so whatever data it has stored with it, and now we are accessing that data. We are accessing or getting that information directly from Google. If I ask you, if somebody from your home asks, Manjunath has come to your home, can you tell me how many times he drank water from morning to evening? You will be able to tell. So you have data with you and you can pass this information to anybody. Exactly, that's what Google Keyword Planner is doing. Google has data with it, and through this tool called Google Keyword Planner, it's helping everybody to understand the data. Got it? So now when you have the data, you are going to bid only on those keywords. How about 4,000 keywords are there here? 4,000 keywords, known keywords are there, and you will be bidding on these 4,000 known keywords. How about 40,000 unknown keywords? Because everybody, see, Google is playing so smartly, it's giving same 4,000 keywords to everyone, and everyone will bid on same 4,000 keywords, correct? Correct? How about 40,000 unknown keywords? Nobody knows. Or and assume that Google also will not give you the data to you because they are searched only once on Google. But it's lot of people are searching like that. You cannot miss out on that data. You cannot miss out on such searches. Up to here, it's clear, right? Right? So since Google also doesn't know how people are going to search, Google has built a beautiful mechanism from which you can understand, you can actually bring in such, show your ad to such unknown searches also. Okay, so understand how that works, we'll understand the keyword match types. Okay, so first thing, Google has given a control or option for you, right? So which is called as exact match. Exact match. See, I don't want to show my ads to anything except for what I decide to show. I want to show my ads when somebody searches buy shoes on Google. Correct? So people must be searching buy shoes online, buy shoes in Bangalore, buy shoes under 99, buy shoes, buy school shoes, buy shoes for kids, buy shoes for orchid school kids. Maybe people will be searching in all these ways. Are you all following me, everyone? Everybody? You are all understanding, right? So people must be searching in all these ways. I don't want to show ads for this one for sure. I don't want to show ads for this one. Or maybe you want to show, that's a different thing. But when you decide not to show ads to any keywords except for buy shows, you will instruct Google with this condition. This is called as exact match, right? Adding square brackets to the keyword makes it a exact match. Exact match indicates or instructs the platform to show ads only to that keyword and not to any other keyword, even with the slightest difference. Even if the slightest difference can be something like shows buy, even for this the ad won't be shown, right? Maybe even for buy shoe also the ad may not show, right? Correct? See, thing is, the known searches itself are so many here, correct? The known searches itself, the list can go up to few thousands. So practically it's super difficult to add all the known searches to your ad account one by one. See, if you want to rank for buy shoes online again, you have to add this keyword also in exact. So you have to add few hundreds of keywords to your ad account this way, right? There are two problems. There are multiple problems in adding this. First thing, you have to get complete list of keywords which you may get or may not get. Second thing, Google says, for example, if you are bidding on this keyword, Google says the search volume is low. If the search volume is low and is not eligible to show up on Google. So Google will tell, you are instructing Google, you are asking Google, please take this keyword, consume this keyword, hold this keyword with you, and when somebody searches on Google buy shoes for kids, show my ad. This is what you are instructing to Google. But what Google says, no, 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 I'm not going to show the ad for this keyword because the search volume is very low for this keyword. I encourage you to bid only on keywords which has high search volume so that I make more money. If only 10 people are searching every month buy shoes for kids, Google would get only 10 clicks, correct? 10 clicks into 20 rupees, 10 clicks into 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Google revenue is just 100 rupees. If 1 lakh people, not 1 lakh, if 5,000 people are searching buy shoes for kids, 5,000 into 10 rupees, 50,000 rupees is the revenue. In the earlier scenario or case, it was only 1,000 rupees revenue to 50,000 rupees revenue. It's something like somebody is coming and asking you to sell this product in your shop. You are denying to sell that product in your shop because the price of that product is 1 rupee and you are getting only 10 percentage of that 1 rupee worth product. When you sell 1 rupee product, 10 percentage of 1 rupee is 10 paisa. You will get only 10 paisa. So 10 percentage of 1 lakh is 10,000. You will prefer to send a product which is of high ticket price and 10% is very good, correct? 1 crore worth property. 10 percentage of 1 crore worth property is, that is 1 percentage, madam. 1 crore worth property, 10 percentage is 10 lakhs. Just by doing brokerage, if nobody pays 10 percentage, real estate pays you anywhere between 1-2 percentage to up to 4-5 percentage maximum. Okay. So Google also works that way. Now, do you think that there is no way or chance to rank for this keyword? And obviously, unknown keyword search volumes are very less, right? So in that case, Google will never show you ads for your unknown searches. Are you all following me, everybody? Google condition is clear. Google wants to show ads only to keywords which has high search volume. It is suggesting to bid only on high search volume keywords and not with the keywords which has low search volume. If you are bidding on low search volume keywords, it's straight away telling that I'm not going to show your ad on Google if you are bidding on keywords which has low search volumes. If that's the case, I'll be missing out on so many keywords, right? There are 40,000 keywords. I can never show ad for those 40,000 keywords, right? So what Google has done is, Google has given another option for different purpose, but then we can make use of that option. So instead of exact match, we call this as phrase match. So in phrase match and broad match. Broad match is the way or a method or a boon for you to tackle all those rankings for all those tail keywords or lengthy keywords. Huh? No, phrase match is different, broad match is different. Broad match modifier is different. There used to be 4 different match types. Now Google has shrinked it to only 2. One is phrase and one is exact. We have dealt with broad match modifier, we have dealt with exact match, we have dealt with phrase match, and we have dealt with just broad match also. Okay. So now what happens? Exact match you understood, right? So how phrase match works is, phrase match basically you are bidding on phrase match. So when you bid this like this in the double quotes, you are instructing. So this, how this works is, now this will make your ad show up for keywords like shoes, buy shoes, so you are bidding on only one keyword. In this case, if you are bidding on one keyword, your ad will be shown only for this keyword. And to show for next set of keywords, you have to add all of them one after the other. But in this case, when you bid like this keyword will have more power. You don't have to add more keywords. This automatically starts triggering your ads for buy shoes online, best buy shoes. Okay. Shoes buy. Buy shoes online India, buy shoes near me, buy or, right? Are you getting it? So phrase match shows up your ad for this keyword as well as for any other keyword that contains by and shows, and either it is preceded or succeeded by any other terms. This both have to be together. We don't rank for this. They both have to be together, but preceding it or succeeding it. If there is any extra term coming in, for that also ads will be shown. Now, when you bid on buy shows in phrase match, this keyword can show ads for, you are assuming that it is only 4 keywords, but you don't know, right? There could be many unknown searches also, correct? Buy shows near me at 250 rupees. So this keyword also will get triggered when you bid on buy shoes, right? But this will not trigger for all the tail keywords, or this may not trigger your ads for shoes online buy. Your ad will not get triggered for this keyword. So in this case, I'll write it here. In this case, ads will not get triggered for the following keywords, like shoes online, order shoes, order shoes online, shoes online India, buy brand new shoes online. See, this keyword will now show ads for all of these keywords, but ads will not show for these keywords. Why? Because buy shoe is not there, and it is, even if it is there, see, buy is there, shoe is there. Even if it is there, there is something else in between, right? So now you cannot rank for this also. So now in order to cover all the variations, buy shoes, sorry, shoes online, you bid this also in phrase match. So now just by adding 2 keywords to your account, this one, it is taking care of 3, 4, 5 keywords. It ranks for, and now when you add this keyword in phrase match, now this will rank, this will show ads now for keywords like order shoes online India. No, it won't show for it. So it shows only for these 2 keywords, or shoes online near me, or order shoes online now. It shows ads for all of these keywords. If you keenly observe, shoes and online is there, and it has to be either preceded by something or succeeded by something. This is preceding the shoes online, and this has both preceding and succeeding extra terms. So for your core term, whatever is there in the square brackets, so either to the front or to the back, it can have extra terms added to it. For all such keywords, your ads will get triggered. So if you want to show shoes for order shoes, again you have to bid this in phrase keywords. Now this will enable you to show ads, but ads won't show for this now still. Ads will show for shoes order shoes online. Are you all understanding this? This one keyword has got a power to trigger ads for these keywords like order shoes, best shoes order. Maybe something like this. You're all getting it, right? Either before or after, either before or after this keyword, you need something else. Okay? It doesn't rank only for shoes. Okay. So now how about keywords like this? See, you have order shoes, you have shoes online, you have buy shoes. But none of these keywords can trigger this keyword. But ad cannot be shown for this keyword now. Correct? So this way there can be few hundreds of keywords. You will miss out on such keywords. That's when a broad match keyword came into picture. A broad match keyword came into picture. In broad match, you will not add square brackets, you will not add double quotes. You will just bid on shoes or buy shoes or anything. But problem with this is it starts showing for keywords like buy slippers, footwear, online India, footwear, manufacturing, process. See, you are selling only shoes, but footwear indicates could be Crocs, could be slippers, can be anything. School shoes can be anything, correct? See, when you are bidding in broad match like this, it can trigger for anything that's related to footwear, correct? So it can even trigger for buy socks. It's very ugly. Broad match is basically thinking I can rank for anything related to that swore to the legs. Correct? That's something that can be anything that you wear to the legs, it ranks for all of it. Buy socks also, you're not selling the socks. Correct? Now, this is a disaster. This is going to kill. You're not selling socks and you're showing ads to socks. 1 lakh people are searching every day buy socks and they are clicking on it and all the money is consumed by these people and your ad is never shown for buy shoes. Instead, it is showing for buy slippers, footwear India, buy socks, buy something else that's more to the legs, buy Crocs, maybe something else, right? So that's when Google introduced broad match modifier. Broad match modifier, what we do is we tell you rank for anything that you want, just make sure shoes is there in it. You rank for anything that you want, but shoes is there in it. So what we do is the condition is we will put plus. Plus indicates make sure that shoes word is always there in it. And before or after this, it can be anything. Now this will trigger buy shoes, order shoes, shoes online, shoes plus online is the keyword. Let's assume I have built in this way. Buy shoes near me online, order best shoes under 199 online. See, now it won't rank for buy shoes because we have put a condition online. It has to compulsorily make sure that keyword has online now. Otherwise it won't rank. So you can bid on keyword like only shoes and it triggers like this for few thousands of keywords. So it would probably trigger for shoes meaning shoes manufacturing companies, shoes the sole for the shoe, best leather for the shoe. Are you all getting it? Are shoes made of leather? See, you are selling shoes, and to sell the shoes, you are paying to Google to get the traffic. It's as simple as this. You have gone to a vegetable market to buy vegetables. When you are paying money, will you be okay to get the rotten one? You want to buy 1 kg tomato, you are paying 100 rupees for 1 kg, and now they are giving you the rotten one. Or you are only hand picking only the rotten ones from the best ones. When you are paying, you want the best, right? See, when you are paying and getting the traffic, you intend to get the traffic that converts, such as buy shoes or order shoes, and not shoes meaning shoes manufacturing companies, the sole for the shoe, best leather for the shoe, or shoes made of leather. Correct? Everybody? So there is a way to avoid all these kinds of things. You will be bidding only like this, shoes only, and it will have the power to rank for all of these keywords also. but we can negate it by adding a list called negative list. We'll be adding a list called negative list. We'll be adding a negative keyword. There is something called as negative keyword. See, keyword match types are there, and to handle it and to make sure that it all works effectively, productively, you have something called as negative keyword. So along with this keyword, I also input keywords like plus manufacturing under the negative list, plus meaning, or I will probably do it in this way. I am also inputting terms like, see, I am telling you, beat whomsoever you want, except these three people. Rank for whichever keyword you want which contains shows, but when it contains manufacturing in it, don't show ads. When it contains meaning in it, don't show ads. When it contains leather in it, don't show ads. When it contains soul in it, don't show ads. Are you all understanding it? I'm telling you, rank for any keyword that you want, but just make sure that you don't show ads for keywords which contain manufacturing, meaning, leather, soul. Is that clear, guys? Everybody? Did you all understand the match types? We have exact match, phrase match,
Yes.
broad match modifier, and negative keywords. Exact match is you are telling to rank only for one keyword, exactly whichever is matching that. For only such keywords, the ads will be shown. Phrase match, you are telling a condition, you are putting a condition, you rank for anything, but make sure the keyword that you have inputted is always there, and it retains the order as well. By shoes has to be there, and before or after it you can have anything. Now broad shows up for everything related to footwear, shoes, crocs, socks. If there is anything else, even the creams for the leg, I probably could show, I don't know. So that doesn't work. So broad match modifier was introduced, and in this scenario we are telling you rank for anything, but make sure it contains shoes. It contains shoes, or it contains, if I'm inputting not only shoes, if I'm inputting online also, or if I'm inputting order, or if I'm inputting buy, or if I'm inputting something else, I'm telling that you can input multiple keywords. Once I'm inputting buy shoes, next time I'm inputting order shoes, another time I'm inputting buy shoes. Did you all get that? I can input multiple keywords, but here each keyword has power to trigger for hundreds of keywords. In this case, each keyword had power to trigger for only few tens of keywords. Here, when you put it in broad match modifier, each keyword has power to trigger for few hundreds of keywords. Correct? But in this process, it will also trigger ads for something like this: meaning, manufacturing, shoe, sole, leather, etc. Correct? And that's when I will bring in the negative keyword, and I'm instructing do not show ad for keywords that contains manufacturing, meaning, leather, or something else. And this negatives can be added with phrase, with broad, with exact, everywhere. Negative keywords can be added everywhere. Okay? Clear? Any questions? So I have a meeting now. So we'll wind it up for today, and we'll connect back again tomorrow. Okay? You all understood the match types, right?
Yes.
Yeah, just go through it once again. You'll get an idea. So I'll copy paste this also here. So tomorrow we will write some definitions for each of this if needed, and then we'll proceed to the next set of topics. Okay. See you guys, everyone. Bye.